Hi everybody, I am going to discuss different types of key in DBMS. What is key, DBMS key, and different types of key. Different types of key in DBMS. First of all, what is key? A DBMS key is an attribute or set of attributes, single attribute, or it can be many attributes, set of attributes which help us to identify a row in a table, or tuple in a table. A DBMS key is an attribute or set of attribute which help us to identify row in a tuple or table. So this is the key. Keys help us to uniquely identify. Key help us to uniquely identify a row in a table. Key help us to uniquely identify a row in a table by combination of one or more columns, by combination of one or more columns in that table. A DBMS key is an attribute. Or set of attribute which help us to uniquely identify a row in a table. Keys help us to uniquely identify a row in a table by combination of one or more columns in that table. So this is the main property of uniqueness. So DBMS key is very useful to uniquely identify the row of the table. So there are different keys of DBMS. Number one is super key. First one is super key. First of all, what is super key? A super key is a group of single or multiple keys which identifies rows in a table, A super key is a group of single or multiple keys. A super key is a group of single or multiple keys which identifies row in a table. So it can be single attribute or multiple attributes which uniquely identify row in a table. A super key may have additional attributes. A super key may have additional attributes that are not needed for unique identification. আমরা সুপার কির মধ্যে এমন কিছু কি অ্যাট্রিবিউট নিতে পারি যেটা ইউনিকলি আইডেন্টিফাই না করতে পারি, যেমন নেম, রোল নাম্বার, মার্কস। নেমটা আমি নিতেই পারি রোল নাম্বারের সাথে, বাট নেমটা ইউনিকলি আইডেন্টিফাই করে না, কিন্তু নেমের সাথে রোল থাকলে ইউনিকলি আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারে। তো সুপার কি মে হ্যাভ additional attribute that are not needed for uniquely identification. We can add many attribute with the uniqueness to provide uniqueness. So this is the basic concept of super key. Super key is a group of single or multiple columns which identify row in a table. So this is the basic logic. It is a single or many attributes. For example, suppose student name of the table is student. The name of the table is student. It consists of name, roll, and marks. Suppose these are the attributes. A 170, suppose B 280, C 390. These are the row of information, that is tuples, tuple 1, tuple 2, tuple 3. That is the row, each row. Now roll is uniquely identified because roll 1, 2, 3 all are uniqueness. Roll is a super key. Super keys are roll is a super key. Roll comma name is a super key. Roll comma marks is a super key. Roll and marks uniquely identify. 1 and 70 there is not possible. 1 and 70. 70 can be there, but it changed the 1. So 1 is the main primary key. This is the primary key. Roll is a super key. Roll comma name is a super key. Roll comma marks is a super key. So these are the all super key, and you can write roll, name, marks all combined together is also super key. এখানে তাহলে আমরা super key কি পেলাম, roll super key, roll এর সাথে name পেলাম, roll এর সাথে marks, roll এর সাথে name, marks all super key. So super key এখানে set of অনেক combinations হতে পারে, multi single attributes or it is a combination of many attributes. Consider another example. Suppose there is a EMP ID, EMP SSN, social security number, that is EMP ID number, ID social security number, and EMP name. Suppose these are the attributes: EMP ID, EMP SSN, and EMP name. That name of the table is employee. Name of the table is suppose employee. Now here EMP ID is a super key. EMP ID, EMP SSN is a super key. Social security number is a unique number. EMP ID, comma EMP name is an super key. EMP ID, EMP SSN is also super key. EMP SSN, EMP name is a super key. EMP ID, EMP ID, EMP SSN, EMP name, super key. So all are super key. All are super key. Super key mean a group single attribute, or there can be many attributes that uniquely identify. All are super key. Consider another example. Student. Suppose name of the table is student. It consists of student ID, suppose roll, name, and email ID. So these are the attributes of the student entity. Super keys. Find the super key. Question is find super keys. First of all, you have to identify the unique attributes. That is SID is a super key. Role is a super key. They are provided uniqueness. Email ID is a super key because email ID is unique throughout the world. SID next fourth SID comma name can be super key. Role comma name can be a super key. So there are many possibilities of super keys. SID comma role comma name can be super key. Yeah. SID comma email. So there are many super keys are there. Email comma name. You can write many super keys combinations. All are uniquely identify each row of the table. So all are super key. All are used to uniquely identify. All are used to uniquely identify each row. All are used to uniquely identify each row. So all are super key. So all are super key. So all are super key. So this is the concept of super key. Now there is a concept of candidate key. candidate key different from super key. Candidate key different from super key because candidate key are selected. Candidate key are selected. Candidate key is selected from the set of super key. Candidate key are selected from the set of super key. Candidate key are selected from the super key. All candidate keys are super key. All candidate keys are super key because we know that candidate key are selected. Candidate keys are selected from the super key. Candidate key are selected from the super key. All candidate keys are super key because candidate keys are selected from super key. Candidate key are selected from the set of super key. So all candidate key can be super key. Now suppose the table name is employee. Table name is employee. Employee equal to employee ID, that is EID, employee ID, employee SSN number, social security number, that like other number, and e-name. Suppose this is the attributes. These are the attributes for the table employee. Now employee consists of EID, ESSN and e-name. These are the tuple to be filled, to be inserted. Now super key are EID is a super key, ESSN is a super key, EID comma e-name is a super key, EID comma ESSN comma e-name is a super key, EID, ESSN and e-name is a super key. All are super key. Among them, EID, ESSN is the minimal, so they are the candidate key. EID, e-name is not a candidate key because EID itself is a candidate key. E-name is a redundant attribute. ESSN itself a candidate key. E-name is and EID, ESSN itself a candidate key. So they are not a candidate key. This is candidate key. This is candidate key. CK. This is not. Among them, EID or ESSN number can be considered as a primary key. This is PK. So in this way, we can find all key in a table. So from the example, super key are, this is a super key set. EID is a super key, ESSN is a super key, EID comma e-name is a super key. This is a set, this is a single attribute, this is a group of attribute. ESSN and e-name is a super key. Among EID, e-name, ESSN is a super key. So these are super key. Among all super key, EID and ESSN are candidate key. So these are candidate key. This is super key. SK is candidate key. And among EID, ESSN, you can consider one of them is primary key. So PK. This is the set concept. The super key, all candidate key is a super key, all primary key is a candidate key. So in this way you can say all everything